In today's video, I want to show us how we can solve linear system. In other words, simultaneous equation. To solve linear systems, we have several methods of solving linear systems. But we're just going to look at three of these methods. The first one is add or subtract. The second one is multiplication first or multiply first. The third one is substitution method. The last method, which is the graphical method, we'll look at this some other time. And to solve or to demonstrate how we can solve linear system using the first method, add or subtract, what we want to do is, in this question, we look at what we have. You start by observing the equation or the linear systems given to you. What we have here is 2x plus 4y equals 42 and 6x minus 4y equals 30. So for us to solve this, we're going to look at how we can use addition or subtraction to eliminate from the system one of the variable while we solve for the other variable. If you look at this very well, we're going to look at coefficients of variables that are alike. Here, 2 and 6 are variables of x in both equations, but they are not alike. But here we have 4, positive 4 and negative 4. Let us remove the signs and just look at the magnitude or the quantity itself. We have 4 and 4 here, so which means we can do something about this variable y in the linear system and get rid of the variable from the system to solve for the other variable, which is x. In this case, how do we now get rid of y here? If you observe very well, positive and negative can easily be eliminated from the system when we add up the equations. Let me show you what I mean. When we add up here, okay, what we have is we have 2x plus 6x. Of course, 2x plus 6x gives us what? Gives us 8x. Now look at this very well. 4y plus minus 4y. This, of course, will give us 4y minus 4y. And of course, this will cancel out from the system. So here, what we have is 0. This is out of it, and we have equals to. We add up what we have here. This is 2 plus 7. So we are left with 8x equals 72. Divide both sides by the coefficient 8, and x certainly gives us what? Gives us 9. Okay? So this is one step where to find the value of the y variable that we eliminated from the system. So we can use any of this equation to do that. So we take the first one, for instance. This is 2x plus 4y equals 42. So what we simply do is we substitute the value of x into the equation. So what we have is 2 times 9 plus 4y equals 42. 2 times 9 is 18 plus 4y equals 42. And we simplify by collecting like terms, and at the end of the day, what we have here is 42 minus 18. Okay, and going further, we have 4y equals, when we subtract this out, what we have is 12 minus 8, that's 4. We're left with 3 here, 3 minus 1, that gives us 2. And y, when we divide both sides of the equation by 4, gives us 6. Therefore, the values of x and y in the linear system, or the solution to the linear system, is simply x equals 9 Okay, y equals 6. You can easily check if your answer is correct by substituting back into the linear system rather, that is both equation, the values of x and y, to see if the two sides of the equation will balance out. Okay, this is where we're going to stop. In the next lesson or in the next video, I'm going to show us how we can use multiplication first to solve the linear system. This is where I'm going to wrap up. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.